Hello children, Namaskar. I hope that you all are fine and safe at your home. Yesterday we did the revision of chapter number 4. Yes? So today in this video we are going to discuss and do the revision of chapter number 5. Okay dear kids? So before we start our class, everyone join your hands, close your eyes, get ready for the prayer.
भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
वरेण्यं
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ
Okay. So, what is our chapter name? Solids, liquids and gases, right? So, dear kids, what we learn in this chapter? That there are different forms of water substances. Yes, हमने क्या learn किया था? कि that there are different forms of substances like solid, liquid and gases, right? So substances, they are exist in different forms. Okay, substances different forms में exist होते हैं and the names are solid, liquid and gases. Now when we look on the substances like solid, so what we come to know that solid cannot be flow, right? जब हम कोई भी सब्सटेंस सॉलिड का लेते हैं तब हमें क्या पता चलता है that it cannot be flow. These are their characteristic. Okay? Can it be pour? क्या हम उसको pour कर सकते हैं? No. Right? And does it have a definite shape and size? Yes. Solids have a definite shape and size. Let's take the example of pencil. Now, let's see the characteristic. Can it flow? No, pencil cannot flow. So that's why we can say that pencil is a solid. Let's see the next characteristic. Can it be pour into a container? क्या हम उसको pour कर सकते हैं? No, we can keep but we cannot pour it. So that's why we can say from this characteristic that pencil is a solid. Then does it have a definite shape and size? क्या उसके पास एक definite shape and size है? So yes, it has a definite shape and size. So that's why we can say that a solid have a definite shape and size. A solid does not flow. And it cannot be poured into a container. Now dear kids, can you say me some examples? Think some example of solid जिसमें ये characteristic fit हो रही हो. Yes, good. Ball, chair, books. Yes, these are some example of solid. Then the next thing we learn about liquid. Now, there are two characteristics in liquid. That it can be poured into a container. Yes, it can flow. But it does not have a definite shape and size. Yes. And the examples of liquids are oil, water, milk, juice. Okay, dear kids? Then the next substance is gases. The next form of substance is gases. So, gases cannot be seen, but they have a distinct smell. Yes? And the example of gases are oxygen, steam. Do they have a definite shape and size? No. Can they flow? Yes, solid can flow. And what they do, they fill up the available space. Right? The next thing we have learned in this chapter is about forms of water. That there are 3 forms of water. Yes, steam, water and ice. Yes, water exists in 3 forms. Steam, water and ice. Now, these forms of water, they can change to the different form of water. Yes, they can change. Like liquid जो है वो solid बन सकता है. Solid जो है वो liquid बन सकता है. Right? Liquid can change into gas and gas can change into liquid. Yes, these things we have discussed in this chapter. That when water or a liquid is freezes, so it will turn into ice. So that process is called freezing. Then when solid it changes into liquid, that process is called melting. And when gas it changes into a liquid, that process is called condensation. And when the liquid is changing into the gas on heating, that is called boiling. Okay, so these things we have learned in this chapter. So today in this video class we are going to do the revision in our revision sheet. So everyone come on page number 15. So everyone is on page number 15. Come to question number 1, filling the blanks. Number first, water exists in dash form. So water कितने forms में exist होता है? Let's see the option 1 or 3. Yes, water exists in 3 forms. So write there 3 everyone, tick mark, and then you have to write it. Question number 2, solid dash be pour into containers. क्या हम solid को container में pour कर सकते हैं? Can or cannot? Just remember what are the characteristic of solid that we have discussed. क्या हम उसको pour कर सकते हैं? No. So that's why the answer will be cannot. Third one, dash flow easily. कौन सी थिंग easily flow हो सकती है? Solids or liquid? See, characteristic of liquid and solid both you have to remember. कि solid flow हो सकता है? No. But liquid can flow easily. So that's why the answer will be liquids. Write it down everyone. Number 4, air is a mixture of many dash. जो air है, it is a mixture of many gases or liquids. See, air is a, very good everyone, air is a mixture of gases, right? So everyone write their gases. Completed question number 1. So now come to question number 2, match the following. First one is eyes. So Ice is a liquid. Let's see the option. Liquid, melting. It is a solid form of water or solid or gas. So, ice क्या है dear kids? You have to think. Yes, it is a solid form of water. Right? Solid form of water भी है and solid भी है. Right? But अब हमें एक ऐसा ऑप्शन टिक करना होगा जो नेक्स्ट बार नहीं आता हो. Right? So that's why don't get confused in this. You have to take option C. That ice is a solid form of water. Next is pencil. Very good. So pencil अब आपको समझ में आ गया. Pencil is a solid, right? अब हम इसमें हम solid form of water नहीं लिख सकते. Do you understand this? Good. So second answer will be D. Third one, milk. So milk is a, yes, it is a liquid. So option A. Number 4th, oxygen. So dear kids, oxygen क्या है? It is a gas, right? So tick mark option E. Next, number 5th, solid changing into liquid. So when solid is changes into liquid, that process is called melting. So everyone tick mark in option number B. Completed everyone question number 2? So now come to question number 3. Write 2 examples for the following. Okay? Number first, forms of water. You all know that there are 3 forms of water. Yes, can you name me? Can you give me names? Yes, solid, liquid and gases, right? So here you have to give me 2 names of forms of water. So we will write solid and liquid, okay? So write everyone solid and liquid. Second one, solids. So here you have to give 2 example of solids, right? So can you give me the names? Yes, pencil and pen. Third one, liquids. So here you have to give me 2 example of liquids. So easy. Oil, water, honey, juice. You can write anything. So I am going to write here oil and water. Come to number 4, gases. So give 2 example of gases. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. Yes? Let's write oxygen and carbon dioxide. Now, question number 4, logical question answer. See, this you have to do by your own. Okay? First one आपको घर पे करना है. Second one I am going to see, दोनों मैं explain तो करूँगी आपको. But you have to write by your own number first. Right? Second one I am going to say you the answer. But first one आपको अपने आप से ही करना होगा. Okay? We can see droplets of water outside a bottle of ice cold water. Where do you think the droplets come from? See, जब भी हमने आइस की बोतल देखी हो, राइट, कोल्ड वाटर देखा हो, तो जब वो उसको हम फ्रिज में से निकालते हैं या फिर बाहर कहीं रखते हैं, तो व्हाट वी सी आफ्टर सम टाइम, वी सी द ड्रॉपलेट्स ऑफ वाटर कम ऑन द ग्लास, राइट. तो ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज सी व्हेन इट इज इन द फ्रिज, तब उसको एकदम कोल्ड एनवायरमेंट मिल रहा है, राइट. बट व्हेन इट कम्स आउटसाइड, राइट तो वो नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर हो जाता है. यस एंड तब क्या होता है, इट कंडेंसेस. राइट कंडेंसेस, दैट्स वाई tiny tiny droplets we see on the glass or on the bottles. Understood everyone? So ये क्यों होता है, because it comes outside, right? जब वो आइस की बॉटल आउटसाइड आएगी फ्रिज से, so it will come in the contact of heat, right, normal temperature, and that's why it will condense and we see tiny tiny droplets of water outside of the bottle. So now come on page number 16. Number 2, Payal left her wet handkerchief on the windowsill in the morning and was surprised to find that it was dry by the afternoon. How did it become dry? So, पायल ने क्या किया, अपना वेट हैंडकरचीफ जो है वो विंडो सिल पे मॉर्निंग में रख दिया था धो के. एंड व्हेन शी कम टू टेक आउट दैट हैंडकरचीफ इन द आफ्टरनून, शी वाज सरप्राइज्ड टू फाइंड दैट द हैंडकरचीफ वाज ड्राई. So how did it become dry? Very easy, because due to the heat of sun. Yes. So because of heat of sun, the water of handkerchief. Yes. जो water handkerchief में था, it changes into water vapor. Correct everyone? Understood? So the water which was on the handkerchief, it become dry because of the heat of the sun. The water changes into water vapor. Now come on question number 5. Write true or false. Number 1, most solid have a fixed shape. Yes, true, because solid के पास they have a definite shape and size. So that's why the answer is true. Second one, liquid do not have a fixed shape. क्या लिक्विड के पास कोई भी शेप नहीं होता? See, yes, they do not have a fixed shape. So that's why this statement is also true. Number 3, एयर कंटेन्स ओनली ऑक्सीजन गैस. क्या एयर के पास सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन गैस ही है? सी, एयर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ मेनी गैसेस, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर इज फॉल्स. डन एवरीवन? सो कम ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. फर्स्ट वन, write at least 5 example each of solid, liquid and gases found at your home. Okay, अब आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, you have to write the examples of solid, liquid and gases. Right, जो भी आपको घर पे ऐसी things मिले, right, जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स से भी मैच होती हो, so उसके एग्जाम्पल्स आपको यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. Okay, very easy. I hope that you all will enjoy doing this. Good. Second one, perform experiment on melting, evaporation, condensation and freezing. You have to perform an activity. Right? आपको experiment करने हैं. Right? ये चारों के आप experiment करोगे and you have to send me the video or picture. Okay, then I will share in the group. You have to perform experiment on melting, evaporation, condensation and freezing. Everyone, come on page number 17. Question number 7, activity. First one, sort the following items in the correct areas. So here some word bank are given. From this you have to sort it out these items in their correct areas. Right? जो भी यहाँ पे आपको words दिए गए हैं उसमें से आपको think करना है and you have to sort these items in the correct areas like in the solid, liquid and gas. Okay? This is easy activity. You all can do it. Yes? Next is let's recall. So mind map. Yes, हमने जो भी ये चैप्टर में पढ़ा उसका माइंड मैप दिया गया है यहाँ पे. You have to complete this. Like many things exist in 3 forms. So कौन से 3 forms में exist होती हैं? Solid, liquid and gas. Right? Then you have to give two example of it. Then change of forms of water. So there are 3 forms of water: solid, liquid and gas. Yes, when solid changes into liquid, that is melting. When liquid changes into gas, that is evaporation. When gas changes into liquid, that is condensation. Yes, and when liquid it changes into solid, that is freezing. Yes, I hope that you all have understood this. Very good, dear kids. Everyone, come on page number 18. Let's observe. Now here we have to label the processes. Right? So when ice, that is solid, it changes into water, that is liquid, on heating. तो जब on heating में it will changes, so that is called melting. Right? So that's why right there melting. Then when liquid it changes into gas on heating. Okay? So that will, what process is that? It is boiling. Right? When a liquid is changes into gas. Then come at down, when ice is changes into water on cooling. So जब ice को हम change करते हैं water में on cooling, so that is called condensation. Right? That's why हमें ये process को हम condensation कहते हैं and यही thing हमें हमारे रियल लाइफ में भी देखने मिलती है when we see the bottle of cold water. Right? We see tiny droplets because जो solid था, yes, ice था, it changes into water. That's why we see water is condenses. तब क्या होता है? Water condense होता है, इसीलिए हमें tiny droplets देखने मिलते हैं. So that's why that process is called condensation. Next, when water is changes into gas on cooling. So that process is called, see dear kids, there is one mistake. Condensation will come here because when gas is changes into water, that is called condensation. So here we will write condensation. Okay? I hope you all have corrected it. Then when water is changes into ice on cooling, that is called freezing. Right? So here we will write freezing. So here we have completed our chapter number 5. That is solid, liquid and gases. I hope you all have understood it, and the remaining thing which I have given you in your homework, you have to complete it. Okay? So dear kids, bye everyone.